Hi everyone. So today we are going to build a dashboard, a clean dashboard, bank branch performance dashboard in Power BI. So I have designed certain data here. So we have three tables: the bank branch, okay, fact branch performance table. Second is dimension branch table, and third one is the dimension date table. So you could see this in fact branch performance table. I have taken certain columns, which is the date one, then branch ID, then total deposits, then we have total loans, then we have NP amounts, revenue, expense, and new customers and closed customers. Okay, then in dimension branch you could see this. I have taken very less data, but those are very useful: branch ID, branch name, and city, state, region, branch name, submission dates as well. Okay, so this is the data which we are going to use it to build the neat and clean bank branch performance dashboard in Power BI. And once it is built, then definitely it would look amazing. So let's start building the dashboard in Power BI, and let's see what are the steps I follow to build the reports, so that it would be very easy to do the practice at your end. And I would provide the link of this data set, so that you could download it and you could use it at your end while doing the practice. And I'll start. So first step is that what we have to do, we have to import the data. So to import the data, we have to click on get data and Excel workbook branch. So I'm going to select one by one. And then what we have to do, we have to click on load. So we are going to click on load. Once you click on load, so what will happen that connectivity will happen, and all the table could see this, all three tables have been imported into Power BI engine. So now if I do any changes here in this sheet, there will not be any impact in these data, because this is loaded into Power BI engine. And we always follow one step, is that when importing the data, we must click on transform data, and over there we have to verify the data types. The data type is not correct, then definitely while building the reports, reports will not look good, or you will not get the expected values which you are trying to get it, and there will be confusion at why it is happening. So it is always recommended to check click on transform data, and go check the data, that is there any blank data, is there any junk data that we have to clean, or is there any the data types is not correct, then we have to correct the data types. So these are the things which we have to take it. Like here you could see this date and time is selected, but time is not, I don't have time data right in our data set. So what we have to do, we have to select the date format. Okay, so time will be removed. See this. Now branch is okay, total deposits, total loans, okay, revenue, expense, new customers, and closed customers, those are okay, right? Now click on here. So see this, header is not correct, right? Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, it is reflecting, but our header is this one: bank branch ID, bank name, city, state. So we have to select the first row, and then we have to click on use first row as headers. The data has been changed. Similarly, we have to click on dimension date. So date, we have to check, we have to change this date and time to time data type. Okay, then year is okay, quarter is okay, month is okay, weekend, day, those are okay, right? Now what we have to do, we have to click on close and apply, so that whatever the activity we performed on transform data, those will be saved in those will not be removed if we click on close and apply. Now coming here, third step is that we have to click on model view and check the relationship. It is, if it is built, then it is okay. If it is not, we have to make the relationship. So you could see this dimension table, it is not connected. So this is our fact table, fact branch performance table. So I think it is branch ID to branch ID, it is done. Now we have to do for date to date. Okay, date to date, one to many, many to one relationship. Okay, save. So this is done. explain that the Power BI engine itself, Power BI itself, finds the common column ID, then it makes the relationship and shows the values. Okay, it makes the relationship the way it was done for this. Okay, branch ID. So like I have created the separate videos on model view and creating the relationship and how does it work, what is the fact star schema, snowflake schema. So on these topics I have already made the video, so I would request you please go and watch that videos, and I would put the link of that video in description box so that you could go and you could watch the videos. Now come report view, and now let's start building the report. So the Canva space, entire space is the Canva space. So if I click here, then you would find Canva, and here is the if you have the image you can import it, if you do not have then it's okay. We have the colors. Okay, so we can select the color from here, 0B132 and B. So this color code I'm going to select and make the transparency like this. Okay, make the transparency 15. Now there's the background color, and then what we have to do here is that I want to show the title. So text box will be required, so I'll put the text box here. Now here I want to add search would be this. Okay, not like that, 5 times we can add it. This would be the KPI where we would be showing total deposits, total revenue, total loans, net profit, or customer growth. So this type of data we will be showing. We will redesign the wireframe as per when we when we start building the dashboard. So let's start building the dashboard first now. So we have to put the title bank branch performance overview. Click here, and then you would find title. So click here and let's put bank branch performance overview hyphen we can put financial year 2024. Okay, now we can do formatting here. We can select font as this one, and 14 or 15 we can select, or 20, no problem. We'll do the formatting here, and then this would be bold. Text color would be this, and background color would be this. Bank branch performance overview. Okay, now we have to write the DAX query. So let's start writing the DAX query. So to write the DAX query, what we have to do, we have to click on home, then we have enter data. So just click on enter data. So why am I doing this? Because there will be separate table for writing the DAX query. So all the DAX queries will be under one table, and so that it would be very easy to drag and drop. Okay, so you can mention the table name as DAX query, or you can as per your requirement you can mention DAX calculations and all that. Okay, click on load, and here you would find the table name. Now we have to right click, and then we have to click on new measure, and here we have to start writing the DAX queries. Okay, total deposits, okay, equal to sum of this would be sum, and then what is our base table, and the star schema table is the fact branch performance table, right? So we have to select fact, this is the table name, and we have to take the total deposits amount. So this is the column we have to select. Click on enter and close parenthesis. That's all. So this is the total deposit DAX query is written here. So now similarly we can write it for others, total loans equal to sum. Okay, and sorry, not subtitle, sum. Then we have to take fact table, total loans. Here you could see this total loans, just close parenthesis. Similarly we have to do for total revenue equal to sum, and fact, and total revenue we have to take So total revenue would be revenue is this, close parenthesis. Okay. So similarly, we have to write the DAX queries for the total expense, net profit, and pure profit. So I'm going to write it there. Now you could see this. I have written down the DAX queries for possible KPI cards, possible card visuals, and we can show the total branch here. So total branch we have this one, right? So I'm going to select this. Now it is reflecting a total branch. Okay, so it is reflecting, but we have to do some kind of formatting. So this card is selected. What I'm going to do here is that I'll select this one, and format would be our standard one, this one, and it is 45. So let's make it 30. How does it look? It looks good. Okay, then we have to go for bold, hash $F D1, okay. So this is the color I have selected, just a random color. Okay, and category. So here also we can select the standard one. This, let's make it 15. Okay, it looks good. Bold, color would be the same color, this. Okay, now let's go for general formatting. So title is okay, and we have to click on effect. Color would be this one, color is this, and transparency is okay, and visual border, let's make it visual border. Color is this. We can select other color as well for this. If I select this one, how does it look? It looks good. Okay, sorry, click here, come here, and general. Okay, effect. So visual border is done. Shadow, definitely we require a shadow, so that it will look differently. Okay, so shadow, let's put it inside, not outside, inside, and color is okay, I think. Let's see how does it look. It doesn't look like it is not reflecting, right? Color, effect, shadow, color, let's put something different. Okay, yes, now it is good. And we have to click here, and we are going to show. So first we are showing total branch, right? Now we can show total deposits here. Let's select this. Okay, now what we have to do here, so just format painter and put the format here, so it is reflecting, right? So now we have to show here total loans. So I'm going to select total loans, this. So let's use the format painter, put it here, sorry, format painter, this. Now we are going to show total loans. We are showing here total loans. Then we have to show net profit, and this would be growth, customer growth. Okay, so this much. So I think we are done with KPI cards. Okay, KPI cards. Now let's start building the visual. Clustered bar chart. This is clustered bar chart. So I'm going to use this here. Branch name, and then net profit. Okay, so net profit by branch. Now I'll use another chart here, which will be the line chart. Okay, so I'm going to use this line chart, and I'll put this here. Date, we have the date table. So month name, we can use month name. This is the month name, and we can use total deposits and total loans. Okay, so we can take it from here, total deposits, total loans. Okay, now next visual we would like to add here is that clustered column chart. So clustered column chart, this is the clustered column chart, so we are going to use it here. and we'll put the logic as like branch reason. We can select, this is the table, so reason, we have reason, and we can select NPA value date, like NPA percentage. So this is the data we are showing. Okay, another one we can add here is that like donut chart also we can add donut chart. Okay, so we are going to add donut chart. Donut chart would be reason and then total revenue. Okay, this is the donut chart. So now another visual I want to add here is that on the map visual. Okay, this would be the map visual. T as a location. So under map visual I want to add city as a location. So this would be city as a location, and I can add net profit or NPA here. So if I click here index query, I'll remove this one. It's net profit NPA. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show here. All right, so now let's do the formatting, and let's do the formatting here first. Let's add the KPI cards slicers here. So this would be the reason, so we can take it from here, reason, and we can do the formatting here like this. Click on this, and how you want to show the data, like in vertical list or drop down or title. So drop down would be good. Then we can show another one, control C, control V, and we can put this here, and we can select slicer as other one. This the month is reflecting. Okay, so I've taken as month, and then we can do the formatting here. Drop down, it is reflecting in the selection. Okay, select all. Then we can do some other formatting here. Title is month. Okay, instead of month we can use month name, right? Month name, so it looks good, right? It looks good. And then we can use reason and month name. Then we are showing the data as per branch name. So reason we are using, so branch, I think we should be using one filter for branch, right? One filter or slicer for branch. So let's put this here, and let's use it as branch. Here it is, branch name, right? We can use it. So like month name we have used, reason, month name, branch name. I think this much slicer is okay, right? So let's do the formatting one more time. This is done, right? Similarly for others. Okay, done. Using this format painter, and then let's do some formatting visual. All are set. Okay, so color would be, text color would be white, right? Transparency is okay. Then title auto, it should be this 12, and then bold color would be white. It is reflecting, right? Branch name. Now layout is okay. Now go for x-axis. So this is okay. Values, this 12, bold, white, right? Title is okay, I think. Let me see. Title, go for this 12, and color would be white. Title is reflecting. Now data labels, so let's make it on. Data labels is also reflecting. Okay, so we can use format painter and title is not reflecting, right? 1 second. This is the title, so we have to use this. And bold color would be white. It is reflect. Let's use the format painter and put this here. Again, now let's do the formatting. Total deposit is not reflecting good. Okay, reason, so this would be the white. Okay, similarly for this, so I'm going to select this, copy format painter, put this here, format painter, put this here. This is reflecting, this is also reflecting, this is also reflecting, right? So I think we have not used select all option, so we have to use select all, selection, select all. Then same thing would be applicable here, selection, select all. So if I click, select all options are coming, right? Here also select all options are coming. So I think now we have to do the formatting for this. So now text, should be not center right. Okay, this looks good. Title is okay. Values, so this should be 9. Okay, format, okay, this one is okay. I think we are done with this dashboard building. So let's see data is getting changed or not as per selection. Here also select option is not available, so let me make it select all. Now let's check east, so data is getting changed, right? North, data is getting changed. South, data is getting changed. If I select all, okay, now go for April month, data is getting changed. August, December, data is getting changed, right? Let's select all. Oh, very good. Now let's go for Andheri. So as per Andheri, data is showing here, right? You could see this is also okay, this is also okay, this is also okay, this is working. Now if I go for multiple selections, okay, right, so it is working. So this is how you can develop the bank branch performance overview, and data is being displayed, and you can do the formatting at your end as per your requirement. It's not like the way I have showed. Similarly you have to do it. Okay, you can these color codes or shadow data labels, series labels, you can change it as per your requirement. You can do it. Okay, so this is how you can develop the bank branch performance overviews, and that's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.